Hello friend, I am Anandam from Bankwiz. Friend, a very big opportunity is knocking at your door. The most reputed public sector bank, State Bank of India (SBI), has released a good many vacancies for circle-based officers (CBO). The number of vacancies is 1226. Don't you think the number is very large? You have to avail yourself of this opportunity without fail. Hope you have already filled up the form, and if not, please fill it up as it has almost the same syllabus as that of the SBI PO. Friend, unlike SBI POs who may get their posting anywhere in India, irrespective of the language they know, irrespective of the culture they are familiar with, irrespective of their food habit they are in, the circle based officers, on the other hand, get their postings in a circle of their choice, where they feel very much comfortable. So, keeping this in mind, you should cash in on this golden opportunity, where you will get your postings according to the circle you will choose while filling up the form. So, friend, throw yourself in preparing for this exam wholeheartedly. Focus on all the papers with equal weightage. As you know, the exam pattern is based on objective and descriptive type questions like that of the SBI PO exam. Friend, if we talk about the descriptive English paper, it has two sections, essay and letter, carrying 50 marks. You need to submit both answers in 30 minutes time. The merit list will be drawn on the basis of the aggregate marks scored in the online written test, that is to say, in the second phase of the exam. There is no sectional qualifying marks, hence get set go for this exam. Friend, for the descriptive English exam, Bankwiz expert team is releasing some highly important essay topics to be prepared on. Before I talk about all such essay topics, let me tell you that the descriptive English paper is open-ended in nature, and so you can make a better score with a little effort made. And thus you can make up for the loss of marks in the objective paper of the exam. In this way, you can qualify for the interview phase. So, never take this paper for granted. Prepare for this under the guidance of experts for maximum marks. Bankwiz is fully dedicated to the preparation of this paper. You get an ample amount of study materials along with the descriptive mock tests, and the submitted mocks are evaluated by our experts on various parameters for sizable improvement till the exam of yours. Now friend, note all the essay topics to write on. Our topics do match in the exam. To copy all the essay topics on the screen, please visit www.bankwiz.com. The link has been provided in the description box. Now let's get started. Friend, the first topic is National Interlinking of Rivers Authority, its challenges. The second topic is raising the age of marriage of girls from 18 to 21, opportunities and challenges. Third is clean energy, opportunities and challenges for India. The fourth topic is reviving the tourism industry in India after the COVID-19 pandemic. And then National Health Survey is an important essay topic. Internal security, center-state relation. This also seems to be important for your exam. Okay. Well, the next essay topic is Corona-free Indian economy. Friend, next topic is drug trafficking and threats. The next important topic is target killing, a new phase of terrorism. Friend, the next topic, that is to say the 10th essay topic is cryptocurrency, the way ahead. Friend, this topic is still relevant. Vocal for local is also relevant. Okay. And the next topic is artificial intelligence, need and challenges. Very important topic you should prepare on. Indian banks, defaulters and debt recovery. Okay. And then Indian startups at new height. This is a very new topic and that is going on in the news media. And then hybrid warfare, new strategy. The next important topic is digitization of land records. Okay. The next important topic is Uniform Civil Code challenges. The next important topic is secular India, a myth or reality. And 19th one is India is the fastest growing unicorn hub next to the US and China. The next important topic is India touching new heights in solar power generation. And the next important topic is Indian culture turning out to be global. Do you agree? Okay. The 22nd important topic is patriotism uniting India. Do you agree? Next important topic is India as a space power. Corona, school and children seems to be very much relevant. And then Clean India mission. Friend, this topic is also important. You should prepare on this topic. Okay. Next important topic is health insurance for India's mission for middle class people. Okay. And the next one is social media advantages and disadvantages. Fake news is a challenge to the internal security is the next essay topic. So friend, these are all that are highly important for your exams. Do prepare on all these one by one. For regular guidance, subscribe to the channel and be a regular visitor of the website www.bankquiz.com to keep updated. Don't forget to attempt a mock along with its evaluation by our expert absolutely for free. Please pay a visit to the site I have mentioned. Okay? Well, wish you all the best. Thank you.